Smoking is the action of inhaling or exhaling the smoke of tobacco. The nicotine within cigarettes can make them very addictive, whilst the smoke itself contains many toxins and poisonous chemicals to the body, such as carbon monoxide. It is something that can become very addictive, which is bad, as smoking can have extreme side effects to your health that can be detrimental or even fatal. Smoking is done for a number of reasons. One of them could be for social reasons and because someone might have encouraged by their friends to smoke as they do. However, the most common reason for people smoking is usually mental reasons. For example, someone might start smoking because they are frequently stressed, therefore they use smoking to try and relax them or take away from personal situations. Smoking can damage and affect many parts of your body, including vital organs such as the heart and lungs. Smoking damages the line of your arteries, leading to a buildup of fatty material which narrows the artery. This can cause angina and a heart attack or a stroke. The carbon monoxide in tobacco smoke reduces the amount of oxygen in your blood. This means that your heart has to pump almost twice as hard to supply the body with the oxygen it needs. The nicotine in cigarettes stimulates your body to produce adrenaline, which makes the heart beat faster and raises your blood pressure, therefore making your heart work harder due to that. Your blood is more likely to clot, which increases the risk of someone having a heart attack or a stroke. The main thing is that in the body that smoking affects are circulation, brain, lungs, and the heart. Although it also affects the stomach, mouth and throat, skin, bones, and fertility rate, smoking will affect your circulation by making your blood thicker, therefore increasing the chances of having blood clots in the future. It will also increase your blood pressure and the heart rate, meaning that your heart will have to work harder to supply the body with oxygen-rich blood. Finally, smoking will affect your circulation by narrowing your arteries to your vital organs. Smoking will damage the heart because the carbon monoxide in the smoke puts a strain on the heart, as it is a toxin. Eventually, the toxins within the smoke will have an extremely high chance of causing coronary heart disease and heart attacks. Smoking affects the brain because it is a toxin, and then eventually it will increase the chance of you having a stroke by at least 50%, which can cause brain damage and even death. Out of everyone who dies due to a stroke, more than 50% of those people smoked, meaning that if you smoke and have a stroke, you're 50% more likely to die from that stroke. With the combination of an increased chance of having a stroke and a higher death rate from strokes due to smoking alone, it is hard to see why people still choose to smoke. People can be influenced to smoke through various different ways, such as encouragement from friends, which can be possible as they are people that will be next or with you frequently and will therefore be more likely to influence someone to start smoking. In conclusion, smoking is extremely detrimental to your health in a plethora of different ways. This is because it can affect your lungs so much that you struggle with simple everyday activities such as walking, as you will feel out of breath extremely quickly, and particularly walking up and down stairs, for example, because that will put strains on your heart and you'll find it so hard to breathe that you could end up having a heart attack or a stroke instantly from that case.